What's up, y'all? Today we're going to be doing something otherwise known as cursed content. That said, this would also be known as a complete sin and forbidden. But we are going to be spray lubing Cherry MX Browns and testing them against one another. So we have one Cherry MX Brown here and another Cherry MX Brown. One's going to get spray lubed and one's going to go on the board blank. And we'll see if the spray lube does anything to help this out. Can the MX Brown be saved? We'll find out. All right, so we're going to take apart one of these switches. The housing on this feels so terrible. Quality of the plastic is, wait. We don't take apart switches to spray lube. What am I doing? This one's gonna go in the board. That's a great sound. Gotta love that. And we are going to pop open the super lube. Stick the little straw in there. And in order to protect the desk and the space I'm in, I'm gonna use a napkin, another paper towel to kind of cover the lube. So we're gonna do this pretty jankily, guys. I know a lot of people spray lube in their board. We're gonna spray lube not in the board. This way we don't ruin the board. And maybe we ruin a switch, but I don't care. So we do need to push down the switch, get in the corner. We're gonna cover that up, and I'm gonna do a quick spray. Did a quick spray. Maybe that might be a little too long there, but wipe off the excess of that spray. There's a lot on the stem. I might need to unfold this. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but there is a lot of excess lube on that. So clean that off around the edges so it's not overdone. Let's hear it. Definitely it sounds a little better. Let me get another one. It's a little deeper, a little bit less scratchy. Let's hear it in the board. Move the super lube out of the way. Get the napkins out of the way. Keycaps, T and Y. For context, I'll show you a novelty cream so you can hear a decent sound. And here is the Cherry MX Brown no lube. And here's with the super lube. I'm gonna be honest, no difference. Let's actually switch their position to see if the position of the board is what's making the deeper tone on the super lubed switch. Because I really honestly think that nothing happened with this. I need a different keycap puller, or a switch puller, I mean. It is in my toolbox. Be honest, really hate Cherry MX switches. These are garbage. They do not want to come out. There we go. And let's switch the sides that they're on. They go back in real easy. And now let's try the sound test. Okay, so the super lube does deepen the sound because previously this one was a little bit higher pitch and this one was deeper. But the other way around, now this is the super lubed one. It is definitely lower on this side, so it's kind of reversed. I can straight up say it's not any more smooth, dude. These are still the sands that you know them to be. A little bit less spring ping though, so that's got that going for it. But overall, do I recommend spray lubing browns? If you're gonna do it one by one, I don't know if it works, but if you're gonna do it one by one and you have a ton and you wanna try them out on your board, I would not do them in your board. Don't ruin a board for browns, but you can ruin a few switches if you want. If you got like 120 of them, I say go for it. It's not that much better, but it definitely is a little better. However, my recommendation would be don't use browns. And that's about it.